Hello and welcome to DoK Explorers Day. My name is Vamshi and today I'm going to give a talk on the topic real-time analytics made easy with Kubernetes. So in this presentation we are going to talk about what is real-time analytics, what is Kubernetes, what are some best practices and challenges while running real-time analytics with Kubernetes. So let's get started. So first thing first, let me introduce myself. My name is Vamshi. I'm an undergrad student doing my bachelor's degree in computer science engineering in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology, which is in Hyderabad, India. And I'm a DoK explorer. And fun fact about me that I love to share my learning in the form of Twitter threads, blog post, or LinkedIn posts. So if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me via Twitter or LinkedIn. So yeah, that's about me. So let's talk about what is real-time analytics. So real-time analytics is a process of analyzing data as soon as it's generated. Instead of waiting for batch of data to accumulate, it involves quick processing and analyzing data in real time or near to real time to gain insights and take immediate action. This type of analytics is used in various fields such as finance, e-commerce and social media to optimize operations and improve customer engagement. So that is about real-time analytics. Now let's talk about what is Kubernetes. So Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform that helps to automate deployment, scale and management of containerized application. In simple terms, Kubernetes is a tool that makes it easier to run and manage software applications that are packaged in containers. So if you want to learn more about Kubernetes, you can join our Slack channel, that is you can join our community, DoK community. There you can learn more about Kubernetes. So you know about what is real-time analytics and you know about what is Kubernetes. Then let's talk about how does analytics fits into data on Kubernetes ecosystem. So analytics is an important part of data on Kubernetes ecosystem. Kubernetes provide a platform for running containerized application including analytic workload in a distributed and scalable manner. Kubernetes can be used to process large volume of data using containerized applications such as Apache Spark, Apache Flink. And this application can be deployed on Kubernetes as containers, and Kubernetes can manage the scaling of the containerized based on the data processing workloads. Kubernetes provide a flexible and scalable platform for running containerized analytics workload. So let's talk about some challenges while running real-time analytics on Kubernetes. So we have three challenges, that is scaling, complexity and data management. For complexity, real-time analytics application can be complex with multiple components and dependency. Running this application on Kubernetes requires good understanding of containerization, networking and Kubernetes itself. For scalability, real-time analytics application needs to be able to scale quickly, efficiently to handle varied levels of traffic and workload. For data management, real-time analytics application often requires persistent storage such as database or message queues. Managing persistent storage on Kubernetes can be challenging, especially for stateful applications that requires data consistency and availability. Now let's talk about some best practices for running real-time analytics on Kubernetes. So first we have containerization. Real-time analytics application should be containerized using Docker technology to ensure consistency and portability across different environment. This also enables easy deployment and scaling using Kubernetes. Next, we have optimized resource allocation. Real-time analytics application can consume significant resources, so it's important to optimize resource allocation to ensure efficient use of resources. Last but not the least, stateful sets. So real-time analytics application often require persistent storage such as databases or message queues. Kubernetes provides stateful sets, which are a way to manage stateful application with persistent storage such as database or message queues, ensuring that the data is consistent and available. Onto the next slide. We have this is the graph which says that in DoK Research Report 2022, which clearly shows that 67% of the data running on Kubernetes is analytic workload, of which 76 are leaders. So running analytic workload on Kubernetes provide organization with many benefits, including scalability, resource management, portability, integration with other tools, automation, and community support. So you may ask how community supports came into the picture. So Kubernetes has a large and active community, which means there are many resources and tools available to help the organization running their analytic workload on Kubernetes. So yeah, this is my last slide. Now if you have any doubts regarding my talk, you can join DoK community, where we have a separate channel called DoK Explorer. You can ask there your questions, your doubts regarding my talk, or regarding any talk in DoK Explorer's day. If you have any doubts regarding specific to analytics, you can ask your doubts in analytics channel. We have a separate channel for analytics. There you can ask your question regarding analytics, and I will be answering those in no time. And second thing you can do is, if you liked my talk, you can post a Twitter thread or LinkedIn post regarding my talk, that what you have learned from my talk. You can tag me, you can tag Bart, you can tag DoK community. We will be reading those posts, and we will be retweeting or reposting your post in our accounts. So thank you for watching my talk.